Tarot Reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, hashtag Tarot Reader Shefali. I hope already you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I'll be releasing in future. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about June 2020 forecast for your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards. Hi Scorpions, welcome to June 2020 reading. People who are born from 23rd of October to 21st of November are Scorpions. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, we'll start with your energy oracle card. We can see attachment card in the reverse position in your energy oracle segment. Now this card is suggesting that you are going to adopt or you will be experiencing detachment energies in the coming month. So either detachment with your own self, or detachment with the people, or with detachment with situations, circumstances, experiences. In different zones, different people will be experiencing detachment or disconnection. This will be very situational, as we are doing this as a generalized reading. So depending upon your own situation, you can pick and choose the advice. So let's see what your relationship card has to say. We have World card, which is a very strong major arcana card in the upright position in the relationship segment. Very beautiful card, guys. It says that your relationship will be very fulfilling in the coming month. So whether you are in a marriage or in a partnership or in a dating phase, you will be experiencing a beautiful, cuddling, caring, secured relationship in the coming month. You will be spending good time with your people, with your partners. You will be exploring a different world and discovering a different world and building and weaving a different world for yourself, which is full of fulfillment, love, happiness, care, which has a vision towards it, a long-term vision towards it, and which is very strongly bonded. And people around you will also be supporting you in making that relationship work. So very beautiful and nourishing time for Scorpions. If you have been single, then you are going to enjoy your singlehood into the completeness. So you will not feel depleted or deficient because somebody is not a part of your life or your journey, but you will be loving yourself and experiencing the fulfillment of being with yourself. So you will be loving yourself. There will be self-love, there will be completeness, there will be discovery, self-discovery about the different aspects of your personality. If you are a spiritual person, then this is the time when you are going to get into spiritual connectivity tremendously, and their whole world and universe will be supporting you to get spiritually elevated and divinely connected. If you have been single and looking for exploring partnership, yes, this is a time when you might be meeting or coming across some person who is a soulmate kind of a personality, or soulmate kind of a connect with you. So though you might not be able to meet people physically, but even in the virtual setup, you will be connecting with someone at a very deep level, and there will be people who will be guiding you to connect at a better level. So overall, I can see a lot of abundance in love, happiness, fulfillment, and nourishment coming your way from relationship perspective. You will be connecting with your masculine and feminine energy. So spiritually, people who are inclined, they will be also to a very elevated level. Coming to your career card, I can see Queen of Cups reversed. So somewhere here we are feeling, though you are Queen of Cups, that is, you are at a very higher position in terms of your career skills. That is, you're a highly skilled person, a highly skilled individual in your career setup. Somewhere you will feel disconnected in terms of connecting with your people. So you will not be able to keep the people who really matter to get yourself elevated in the career. You will not be able to keep those people who matter to you happy. So either these will be your colleagues or your team members or your seniors. So there is some that you are seen as a very good candidate in your work, very appreciated and top of everything kind of a person, very warm and loving person, and a very sincere person. You are seen as that way, but currently people are totally not considering you for elevation. For some reason, there is a time, a flowering time expected. So there is a time of appraisal, of upgradation, of growth expected, but it is right now looking blocked. It is right now looking disconnected. You're not able to connect with your people for some reason. and you are going in a introvert, you are going you are not being extrovert, but you are going introvert, because of which somewhere there is a distance which I can see over here, but it's a very situational or a temporary phase. There is a detachment maybe over here prevalent, this message, this energy, that somewhere you're getting detached from your own people, your own circle, for some reason. It could be some really practical reason that you are not able to get connected in the zone where you are living right now, or something that is stopping you from connecting with the people and reaching them in the right way. However, the flowering time is still on your way, and it is still with you, so you will sail through it. You will sail through it as the time passes by. This time is going to teach you a lot in terms of your learnings in the career front. Coming to your finances, you're very well settled and secured in financial segment, very strongly financially secured, though there is a transformation time expected, but you are looking very secured. So I don't see much issue in a financial aspect of your life in the June 2020. Coming to your health, Hangman is a card for you which says that currently you're not taking care of health as responsibly as you should. Somewhere you are feeling indecision, you are feeling disconnected, you are feeling confused on what to do, how to take care of your health, and you are compromising with certain routine activities which are necessary, regime which is necessary for your health care. So this is very much a highlight. You need to work on your health and take due care, otherwise you will feel low on your personal power and energy. So I can see a card, chakra card, suggesting that you will be feeling little low in terms of energy, in terms of power to face the situation. So just take care of your health, guys, because that is the major and major aspect where you need to cope up with yourself. Coming to your summary card, we have Chariot card in the upright position. It says that it is this phase, this month is going to teach you a lot of karmic lesson in the coming month. Just be prepared for it, prepared with the right attitude, so that you don't mess around or you don't take it in the wrong way and negatively affect your decision making or your career or your personal health also. So just take the lessons from life, learn from it, and move on for a better future. Overall, it's a mixed month for Scorpions, so very good luck to all of you guys. Friends, I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Do follow me on my Instagram account, on my Facebook page, Tarot Reader Shefali or Tarot Guide Shefali, and do follow me on Instagram page, which is Tarot Reader Shefali. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comment really helped me to get your feedback. Also, your suggestion helped me to improvise my videos, as well as to get some new videos on new topics for pick card reading. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They will be able to take some help out of it on the basis of the situation. Remember that this is a generalized reading, and take it as a general guiding light. If at all you are looking for more personalized reading, go for a personalized session with me or some other tarot reader. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can connect with me on the mobile number that is there on the screen, or you can put me a mail or message on the Messenger or Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger. I really hope to help you in my capacity. A very good luck to all of you.